1300-meter race is on the way. As expected, Podolski draws 4-year lead. Jaden Apopa, Patoy Sorry outside, moving up by the release. Wish ko lang. Then racing in fourth, Airway alongside is Good Boss by the rail. So lucky and Beautiful Boss is bringing up the rear. Podolski leading the field by about 2.5 lengths. Jaden Apopa, Pato right behind in second, trying to get closer now in third. Airway and still improving. Wish ko lang pairing up the scene, then moving up Good Boss, so lucky and Beautiful Boss is still in behind them as they rounded up 450. Podolski just in front. Airway moves up and grabbing the lead. Airway now leading the field. Podolski tries to pass back in second, and down the stretch they come. It's still the favorite. Airway leading the field. Jaden Apopa, Pato moving up on the outside. Airway, Jaden Apopa, Pato moves up and now leading the field by about a length and a half. And finally, Jaden Apopa, Pato, Airway, Good Boss, Podolski, so lucky. Then comes Beautiful Boss and Wish ko lang.